Hi, I'm John, VP of Managed Services here at TurboTenant. Before I show you anything on screen, I want to take a second to set context. Most landlords manage their rentals in one of two ways. Either they do everything themselves, posting listings, fielding calls, chasing rent, scheduling repairs, or they hand the whole thing to a traditional property management company that charges 8 to 12% of their monthly rent, often with add-on fees on top. But not every landlord is set up to be on call at 2 a.m. when a pipe bursts. And not everyone wants to pay a property manager a cut of their rent every month just to feel like they're out of the loop anyway. TurboTenant is fixing that. We call it Autopilot. Autopilot is TurboTenant's property management service. A flat fee, a real team, and you stay in control of the decisions that matter. If you need a new renter, start with tenant placement. This is for landlords who have a vacancy and want a professional team to handle everything it takes to fill it. Professional photography, creating and syndicating the listing, managing leads, coordinating showings, screening applicants, executing the lease. And what you get is a pre-vetted pool of qualified applicants, and you make the final call on who moves in, all for one flat fee. You can also choose to bundle your tenant placement with ongoing management in our fully managed package. Let me walk you through what this actually looks like for a property owner. It starts with vacancy. You tell us about the property, address, occupancy status, target rent, showing preferences, and our team takes it from there. We'll send out a photographer to collect your keys, complete a condition report, and take professional photos for your listing. Then we build out your listing and push it out across all the main rental sites. As leads come in, we pre-screen them, handle all their inquiries, and coordinate their showings using a smart lockbox. Then we screen applicants thoroughly with our industry-leading screening process, including background and credit checks, fraud detection, and income verification. And when it's time to pick a tenant, you make that call with the information we'll provide. We generate a state-specific lease agreement to keep you and your investment protected, route it for e-signatures, and then collect your security deposit and send it directly to your account. Once a lease is signed, the team transitions into ongoing operations. We're the contact during move-in, handling everything from key handoff to condition reports with the renter. When a tenant submits a maintenance request, we collect bids from vetted vendors and share them with you for approval before any work is authorized. Rent collection runs automatically, with reminders going out before the due date. And if rent comes in late, our collection teams follow up directly. Lease renewals are handled entirely by us, research, paperwork, and lease execution. With a traditional property manager, you hand over the keys and hope for the best. Most landlords feel like they're out of the loop until something goes wrong and they're paying 8 to 12% of rent every month for that experience. Autopilot works differently. The TurboTenant team handles the day-to-day, but the landlord stays in the picture on the decisions that matter. Before any major maintenance work gets authorized, you can see the bids and approve them. When it's time to select a tenant, you make that call from a set of expertly screened and recommended applicants. Your dashboard shows rent status, maintenance activity, everything happening across your property in real time from anywhere. You're not handing over your investment. You're just handing off the work. No percentage-based fees, no smoke and mirrors, no feeling that you have to micromanage the manager. Tenant placement will fill your vacancy. Fully managed will keep it running after. Both at a flat fee, no surprises. Get started today at turbotenant.com/autopilot.